डेली कमाते हैं, डेली खाते हैं, मजबूरी है। जो बहुत लेबर क्लास के लोग ऐसे ऐसे 10 दिन महीना दिन कमाया खाया और जो कुछ बचता है लेकर के गाँव भाग जाते, गाँव देहात चले जाते। पानी यहाँ बहुत ही बेकार आता है, दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट के भी पानी बेकार आती है और ऑलरेडी यहाँ तो ज़मीन के जो पानी है लोग ले ही नहीं पाता, कारण ज़मीन के पानी इतनी कड़वी और इतनी जहर है, तो ज़मीन के पानी तो लोग इस्तेमाल नहीं करते हैं।
Since 2019, over 1,000 significant leaks of methane, a potent greenhouse gas, have occurred at landfill waste sites worldwide, according to analysis of global satellite data. South Asia, along with Argentina and Spain, stand out as hotspot of these emissions. Landfills emits methane as organic waste decomposes anaerobic conditions, contributing significantly to climate change due to methane's high heat trapping potential. Countries like Pakistan, India, and Bangladesh lead in large leak, followed by Argentina, Uzbekistan, and Spain. Reducing landfill emissions can be achieved by minimizing organic waste generation, diverting it from landfills, or capturing emitted methane. Methane leaks possess a pressing threat, with emissions from unmanaged landfills expected to double by 2050, exacerbating climate change. Efforts to mitigate methane emissions are crucial as they account for a third of current global heating. Proper waste management is essential as landfill emissions contribute around 20% of human-caused methane emissions. Fossil fuel operations and agricultural activities also play significant roles. Measures of mitigate landfill emissions such as covering sites with soil or capturing methane for fuel are cost-effective and crucial for climate action. In India, for instance, Delhi faces severe methane leaks from landfills, leading to health hazard and environmental degradation. Similar challenges are observed in other nations, including Pakistan and Argentina, where landfill mismanagement exacerbate emissions. Addressing methane emissions from waste sites is vital to achieving global climate goals. Satellite monitoring helps identify super emitter events, enabling targeted interventions. While developed nations have made progress in managing landfills emissions, challenges persist in many parts of the world, particularly in the global south. However, initiatives like India's Clean India mission demonstrate efforts to improve waste management practices and mitigate methane emissions. Overall, addressing methane emissions from landfill sites is a critical aspect of climate action, offering significant environmental and health benefits. Prioritizing methane reduction measures can yield substantial impact in combating climate change, making it a wise investment for a sustainable future.